Alright, welcome back to Cheap Horsepower, everyone. So I figured I would show everybody my kickstart harness. I've tied it right into the stator. Everything is basically like brand new. It's got a new CDI, it's got a new coil, it's even got a new kill switch up there, and it even has another kill switch up there, just like normal. And the reason why I did this is I wanted to separate the main harness from the starter harness, because this one is an electric start. Now, on a kickstart harness, obviously, you'll have a kickstart for your engine. It's the same style engine as this. So you'll just be doing the manual version of what this does. This is just turning the motor, and you get spark, and then bam, the motor fires up. This does the same thing, it does it electronically instead of you kicking the motor over yourself. So, why did I separate it? Because the original harnesses that have everything tied all into themselves, they can cause a no spark issue because of either the voltage regulator going bad, or if you have too much voltage going to it, you can kill your CDI, and you don't want any of that happening. So this simplifies everything, and it keeps the two wiring harnesses separate now so they don't kill each other, which is really nice. And the other part about that is, either you have a bad starter or not enough power going to it if something's not working, or if there's bad connection, which makes it easy to diagnose. Now, check this out. The solenoid is just working as a placeholder up here for the time being. I have my power wire going straight to my battery. My battery is grounded to the motor. Now, this side, this wire goes right to the switch that I have. You can get these switches at Napa or AutoZone. This is what this one is. It's a Grote. It was only $7. Very, very easy to obtain. Didn't have to go online or do anything, but you can if you want to. But you want to get one that's like this. It's going to be nice and tough. So back to how it's wired. So I have the switch wired up from this side, which is the power side, goes to the switch. The other side of the switch goes back to the other side, which is the starter side. This wire on the back side goes straight to the electronic starter, as you can see it down there. Then all it does is make a connection. Simple as that. I'm gonna hook this up to where it's gonna sit on the bodywork. It's gonna be basically right there, and it'll be nice and easy. Everything's gonna be hidden away. This battery won't be there either. I'm gonna set up the battery in its stock location. It kind of sits over here, so that'll live there and be happy for the rest of its running life. But it's a very, very simple setup, and I figured I would show you that. So if you're having the same issue as a lot of people do, where these harnesses are causing a big problem for you, this is a great way to simplify it and eliminate those headaches.